To walk the Wiccan path is to live in a world alive with meaning. Magic isn't separate from the mundane. It pulses quietly in every corner of our lives. Ritual tools don't need to be bought in a crystal shop or passed down in secret. Some of the most potent objects are already on your kitchen counter or tucked into your coat pocket. Here are 5 everyday things that, when seen through a witch's eyes, become vessels of true magic. In Wicca, the wand channels energy and intent. But for those who practice kitchen witchcraft, the wooden spoon becomes that wand, stirring not just soup, but spells. With each clockwise motion, you're drawing energy in. Counterclockwise, you're releasing. Whispering blessings into bread dough, charging herbs with warmth and purpose. This is real magic. The spoon holds the energy of generations, soaked with memory, intention, and flame. We glance into mirrors every day, often without a second thought. But the mirror is one of the oldest tools in the witch's cabinet. It reflects truth, deflects negativity, and opens paths to the other world. A mirror placed by the front door can bounce harmful energy away. Used in meditation, it becomes a gateway for scrying, allowing visions to rise from the subconscious or beyond. Covered or uncovered, it controls what is seen and unseen. The Besom, or broom, is a classic symbol of the witch. Even a simple household broom holds magic. Used ritually, it sweeps away stagnant energy, clears sacred space, and creates boundaries. When leaned against a door, it wards off unwanted visitors. Whether made of birch twigs or synthetic bristles, its spirit is unchanged. It clears, protects, and transforms. Every cup you drink from has the potential to become a chalice, a sacred vessel that receives and gives. In ritual, the chalice represents the element of water, the womb, the unconscious, and the divine feminine. A simple ceramic mug of chamomile tea can be a calming potion. Add intention, herbs, moon water. It becomes a spell you sip. Bless your drink. Thank the plant spirits. Let it soothe you from the inside out. Keys are more than practical metal shapes. They're symbols of power, choice, and passage. They open and close, invite and protect. A key on a necklace can be a charm for opportunity. A bowl of old keys near your altar can hold protective energy for your home. In some Wiccan traditions, Hecate, goddess of the crossroads, carries keys, and so can we. Every time we turn one in a lock, we echo an ancient act, entering a space with intent. Wicca teaches us that magic isn't locked away in the esoteric or unreachable. It lives in your hands, your breath, your home. The sacred and the ordinary are not separate. They are 2 sides of the same mirror. Once you begin to see it, there's no going back. You realize you've been holding magic all along.